हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास के पॉलिटिकल साइंस का 5th चैप्टर करेंगे। इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखते हैं। पहले वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। विच इज द अपेक्स कोर्ट इन इंडिया? द सुप्रीम कोर्ट। वेयर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज सिचुएटेड? द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज सिचुएटेड एट न्यू दिल्ली। Who appointed the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? The President of India appoints the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Who appoints the Judge of Supreme Court? The Judge of Supreme Court are appointed by the President on the advice of Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Who was the first woman Judge of Supreme Court? Mrs. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi was the first woman Judge of Supreme Court. Mention the qualification to be Judge of the Supreme Court. First one, a person must be a citizen of India. Second one, he must have been a judge of one or more high court for 5 successive years or must have been an advocate of one or more high courts for 10 successive years. What is the tenure of Judge of Supreme Court? Judges of Supreme Courts hold office till they complete the age of 65 years. Next question, mention the salary of the Judge of Supreme Court. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court is entitled a monthly salary of rupees 1 lakh per month, while other judges of Supreme Courts are given rupees 90,000 per month. Can the salary of Judge of Supreme Court be reduced during their tenure? The salary of judge can be reduced by in financial emergency only. How the Judge of Supreme Court can be removed? The Judge of Supreme Court can be removed by impeachment only. Who can remove the Judge of Supreme Court? The Judge of Supreme Court can be removed by the President after an address by each House of the Parliament has been presented to the President for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Can the cases of fundamental rights be directly taken to Supreme Courts? Yes, Supreme Courts has original jurisdiction regarding fundamental rights. Who can seek advice from the Supreme Court? The President can seek advice from the Supreme Court in matter of law and fact. What is judicial review power? It means that the court is guardian of the constitutions and it can declare any law and executive order to be unconstitutional if it is violative of the constitutional provision. What do you mean by court of record? It means that the decision taken by Supreme Court became a law for the lower court. What do you think the introduction of public interest litigation in the 1980s is a significant step in ensuring access to justice for all? In simple words, the term public interest litigations means that the persons and associations that other than the sufferers have the right to seek justice on their behalf. Now, this concept that a person can seek justice only for himself has undergone a sea change. The poor and oppressed peoples of India don't possess means to seek judicial relief. It is only a public-minded citizens or politically aware organizations that can move to the Supreme Court. In fact, the introduction of the public interest litigation is a significant step in ensuring access to justice for all. Through public interest litigation cases, the Supreme Court has emerged as the defenders and champions of the rights and liberties of the poor masses. Write a story around the theme, justice delayed is justice denied. Justice is the very foundation of the state. Without the judicial system, there can be no state worth the name. Judiciary is rightly called the shield of innocence and the guardians of civil rights. But for a good judiciary, it is essential that justice should be impartial, speedy and cheap. But in India, justice is not speedy. The position is the worst in civil cases. Unnecessarily litigations, needless appeals, dilatory procedures, etc. have actually denied justice to people. Justice delayed is justice denied. If justice is delayed and justice is not really done to the people, then the life and property of the peoples cannot be safe. In India, it is very difficult to get house vacated from the tenants. Generally, civil cases are decided in 15 to 30 years. Needed justice should be quick and speedy. What are the qualifications of the Judge of Supreme Court? A candidate for appointment as a Judge of Supreme Court must fulfill the following qualifications. First one, he must be a citizen of India. Second one, he must have been a judge of the high courts for 5 years. Third one, he must have been an advocate of one or more high courts for 10 years. Next, if in the opinion of the President, he is a distinguished jurist. The Supreme Court is the guardians of the Constitution. Discuss. The Supreme Court is the final interpreter and the protector of the constitutions. It is the responsibility of the Supreme Court to uphold the supremacy of the constitutions. The Supreme Court has been given the power of judicial review. The Supreme Court can declare any law or executive orders unconstitutional if it is contrary to the provision of the constitutions. Thus, the Supreme Court is the guardian of the constitutions. Move to the next question. The Supreme Court has guaranteed the fundamental rights to the citizen. Discuss. The constitutions make the Supreme Court the ultimate guardians of the fundamental rights of the citizens. Supreme Court has power to issue orders, directive and writs of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto and certiorari or any of them for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Thus, the Supreme Court has guaranteed the fundamental rights to the citizen. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.